Association Mahona for Human Rights.
Thank you. We thank the working group for its report and for the recommendations that it has brought to the international community's attention. The fact that many of these recommendations are repeated from previous reviews is indicative of their non-implementation. And unfortunately, the issues they highlight have only worsened in recent years, notably since the illegal invasion of Ukraine. They include the constraining of the rights to freedom of expression and of assembly under the draconian foreign agents law, the harassment, intimidation, and prosecution of human rights defenders and NGOs for speaking out against the war and advocating for their fundamental rights, and the intensification of the government's propaganda and surveillance apparatuses in an effort to drown out the voices of those who would oppose it. The tragic death of Alexei Navalny exposed the extent of the state's corruption and injustice. It showed the world that this government, contrary to what it claims in its responses to the UPR's inquiries, holds little regard for the protection of human rights, a condition that holds true not only within its borders but beyond them as well. In fact, the domestic political repression it conducts goes hand in hand with its assault on Ukraine. Russia claims to be shutting down neo-Nazis and extremists at home, but its targets have consistently been ordinary civilians and human rights advocates denouncing its policies. The silencing of the country's public sphere is precisely what allows it to propagate its expansionary war, despite widespread discontent over the economic woes it has brought and the large-scale conscription of its youth. If things continue as they have, the space for dissent will only grow narrower, little opportunity for the Russian people to express their legitimate grievances, and further yet, to mount a credible alternative to this repressive system. It is therefore crucial that the UPR's recommendations be promptly implemented. Thank you.